Is it time to buy or sell SOFI stock? In this video, we are diving deep into SOFI. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 5th of May, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of April, 2025, our system has classified SOFI as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.06. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of approximately 9.54%. This equates to an average return of about 1.06% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $13.01 will initially indicate a slower rate of decline, but it may also be the first sign of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 23.37% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 50.49% to negative 22.51%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 83.32%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 45.10% to 194.67% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $18.66 and $37.89. Our latest daily update for SOFI includes the headline, SOFI stock upgraded to buy candidate. The SOFI stock price gained 1.26% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 5th of May, 2025, rising from $12.70 to $12.86. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.9%, with a day low at $12.44 and a day high of $13.05. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 20.3% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 953,000 more shares traded than the day before. In total, 51 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $660 million and $7,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $18.42, and the lowest price was $6.01. Currently, the price is 30.18% or $5.56 below the 52-week high and 54.49% or $15.40 below the all-time high on the 1st of February, 2021, when the price reached $28.26. SOFI Technologies, trading under the ticker SOFI, is making headlines with a recent increase of 2% in its stock price, now at $12.96. The company is marking a notable growth trajectory, having tripled its membership base since the year 2021 and amassed over $27 billion in consumer deposits since launching its banking platform in early 2022. Impressively, SOFI's adjusted EBITDA has soared to 23 times its figure from 3 years ago, showcasing robust operational efficiency. Investors are increasingly interested in SOFI as it recently reported a 33% year-over-year revenue growth, reaching $771 million in the first quarter of 2025. The company has successfully diversified its revenue streams, with fee-based income rising dramatically to constitute 41% of total revenue, driven by a strong performance in its loan partnerships, which generated $96 million. In a climate where options traders are optimistic about SOFI's future, the combination of solid financial results and strategic initiatives like re-entering the cryptocurrency market and expanding subscription services could further enhance its growth potential. This positioning not only supports potential short-term price appreciation, but could also set the stage for significant long-term gains as the fintech sector continues to evolve. As investors recognize these strengths, the sentiment around SoFi remains positive, suggesting the company is well-positioned to capitalize on future opportunities in a competitive landscape. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned SoFi a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned SoFi a hold grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 19th of December 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned SoFi an underweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 10th of December 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned SoFi a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 9th of December 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned SoFi an underperform grade with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned SoFi stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book value as strong sell. However, regarding return on investment, the analysts award the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for SoFi. The SoFi stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be some support from the levels at $12.85 and $11.84. A breakdown below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a strong technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, and these may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 29th of April, 2025, and so far the stock has declined by 3.09%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger revealed a buy signal 45 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average suggested a buy signal 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 46 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 40 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoFi. SoFi finds support from accumulated volume at $12.51, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, exhibiting volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 610 cents between its high and low, equating to 4.90%. For the previous week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 5.48%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for SoFi, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is relatively standard, often observed in companies with long histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of July, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates at 6 cents. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoFi. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoFi is at $13.20. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOFI encounters its first support level at $12.51. If this support level holds, it might present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SOFI from multiple analyst sources is sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 21st of April, 2025, Keo Kelly executed an insider sale of 11,181 shares of common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, Keo Kelly conducted another insider sale of 11,181 shares of common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, Rishel Jeremy conducted an insider sale of 68,625 shares of common stock. On the 14th of March, 2025, Simcox Stephen executed an insider sale of 71,353 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 14th of March, 2025, Simcox Stephen also conducted an insider purchase of 71,353 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 51.388. Overall, insiders acquired 10,529,415 shares and disposed of 34,906,566 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $12.28, reflecting a decline of 4.55%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Currently, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top that was identified 4 days ago. Is SOFI stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are showing positive signs. Although the stock has been trending downward, we believe that the current price may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. Our analysis has been upgraded from a hold or accumulate rating to a buy recommendation. After examining the volatility and trading movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 6th of May, we anticipate SOFI will open lower by approximately 7 cents and begin trading at $12.78. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree and are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.